This is a case of a patient with a right middle cerebral artery aneurysm. The authors describe the surgical clipping of this aneurysm and ultrasonic flow probe analysis. The patient described is 59 years old and right-handed. 9 years ago, the patient experienced an episode of nausea and vomiting. After sleeping for several hours, he awakened with a left-sided hemiparesis. He was admitted to a local hospital and told that he had experienced a stroke. He recovered after several weeks with a mild residual left-sided weakness. The patient continued to do well until about 3 weeks ago when he experienced an episode of confusion after sexual intercourse that lasted approximately 10 minutes. An MRI and MRA scan showed the old infarct on the right side of the brain. In addition, the MRA showed a right middle cerebral artery aneurysm. A lumbar puncture was negative for subarachnoid hemorrhage. The patient fully recovered and was discharged home. As an outpatient, a CT angiogram was performed to further delineate the aneurysm. This MRI scan shows the areas of prior cerebral infarction as indicated by the green arrows which mark out encephalomalacia in the right lentiform nucleus. There is concomitant expansion of the right lateral ventricle as indicated by the orange arrows in the right lower panel. Furthermore, the yellow arrow in the upper right panel indicates a small area of flow void that raised concerns for a possible intracranial aneurysm. The MRI study